Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to open Microsoft Word in three ways. Okay, so now let's see all together. Okay, the first way, okay, we have search here with Word, WORD, right? And you see here Word 2016, and we click it. Okay, so we see this dialog. So we click the blank document here, right? Okay, so now this is the working area for Ms.Word, right? Okay, so I close it. And now the second way for opening Ms.Word, I click the start button here, and then I scroll down until I see Word 2016. Okay, so I choose it. Okay, and then I click the blank document here. Okay, so Word working area now here, right? Okay, so I close it. Okay, after that, okay, the third way is, okay, you see Microsoft Word icon here. I click on it. Okay, and then it's open now, right? Okay, and I choose the blank document also. Okay, so now the working area for Word is already open, right? Okay, so this is the three way for Microsoft Word. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please don't forget like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.